Now today we'll see how to automate the web table.
Webtable. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. I just copy this link here and go. So let me explain you what exactly the web table is.
Okay.
It's the same website, okay? If you go down, you can see
Okay.
some tables are there. Can you see serial number 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah. Yeah.
Serial, yeah, this is the web table.
Okay.
Yeah, in the website you can see some tables are there, okay? Now in this case, we'll do some scenario like, for example, suppose we have this cost of foundations prospects, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the scenario is like that. I need to find out what is the fees for this course, okay? Any course like CA foundation
Okay.
exam form fees, any fees like, or in any web table, okay? So here we have one code, okay? So can you see this locator here? So if you want to find locator for any web table, so you go to inspect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here you can just type here.
So here the main testing for us, the main testing comes with the locator. If we
Yeah,
find the locator, half of the job is done.
exactly. But in web table, there is a different way to find the locator. Like in other case, what
Okay.
we do, we find using the ID, class, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. In this case,
Yeah.
suppose if you are automating any web table now, so you just need to write down like this: tr, td. See in tr, you can see the t. If you just write on tr, yeah, so you can see this column gets selected here, or you can say the first column tr, td colon and
Shakil, you're not sharing the screen.
I am sharing, no? Let
No, I cannot see.
even though I share this one, okay, once again.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
okay. So here you can just see here. If I write here trtd, this is the locator. Tr space td, okay,
Mm-hmm.
colon and
Mm-hmm.
redundant child.
Okay.
Yeah, child child.
Does Crowpath works here?
No, is like basically it will work, no doubt, but this is a simple one. Like you need to find out the first row, then column, then which child you want to find. So the best way is like you can just use this one. Got my point? See, if I use
Okay.
the locator is like the tr td colon and hyphen child one. If I put one here, so you can see this one got selected here. Can you see? See,
Yeah.
now if I change to second one, so Indian student got selected here. If I use third one, so foreign
Okay.
student got selected here because this one is in the format of table. So the right way to find out any locator inside the table, the best part is you can use this TRTD and child one like this. Okay, is it fine?
Okay. So
Yeah,
is the thing which we have to put
yeah.
in the
TR
front.
means table row,
Dot.
TD means table column, and child one, child three. You can, it's
Okay.
up to you. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Now see the locate. See what I am doing here. Now here in this case, I am using this TRTD and child one. Okay. Now I'm using, so I'm using here each iterator here. Why I'm using each? Because if you see carefully in this website, you can see many columns are there. Got it?
Yes.
There are many columns or many web tables are there with row and columns. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm using each iterator here. Now I'm using one constant str. So whatever be the data inside this locator are converting into text. Okay, and I'm telling that if this str includes article fee ship. Now if I go to this article fee ship, if I control F and check it
Okay.
out here, control F, this fee. I got one entry here. Can you see this entry? Article fee ship.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just need to find out what is the fees for this article ship fee. That is 2000 rupees. Correct? So
Okay.
yeah. So what I'm using again, now inside I'm coming here, then I'm using tr, td and child one. This locator means what? Right now we are in the first column.
Okay.
Okay. This tr, td and child one no I'm using. So it means I want to just grab because article fee ship is in the first column only. Got it? So it's matching all the uh, values inside the first column. If it matches with article shift is, then I need to move to the second column which is in front of this one. Okay. Now in this case, when I come here again, I use TRTD and L1. I use here index, EQ index. Can you see index here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happened when you iterate? No.
E F E.
Yeah. When you
Okay. EQ. Okay.
yeah, EQ. When you iterate, no. Up till now, what we have seen, we are putting some values here inside this. Correct? EQ1, EQ2, EQ3. Correct? But
Yeah.
in this case, what we are doing, whatever the value coming from this index now, we are putting that values inside this index. So, like in each iterator, the index value also get incremented. Okay, like for first element,
Yeah.
the index value is 0. Then the second one, first, like this. Okay. Now, if you want to go to the next one, like for in article fish, you want to jump to this next one. For if you see article fees, what is the next? Next is 2000 rupees. Correct? So you can see, you can just put here next method here. Okay. Then what is
So
there?
first we have to. Okay. One second, Shakil. So
Yeah, yeah.
first we have. Oh, we are not using cy dot get. Just y dot get.
Oh, no, no,
Is
no.
it cy
It's a
or
CY
just
get.
y? Okay, cy
It's a
dot
C.
get.
It's a CY.
Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
first we use the locator. So which is the tr, td, and which column we are using,
Exactly.
or the which row we are selecting. So we have
Correct.
selected the locator.
Correct.
Then we are using, because of so many of tables, we are using the each iterator.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Then why we are using this EQ index?
Yeah. Good question. See, when you come here, article free ships. Okay. When
Hmm.
you come here, so now you are here right now. Now you want to move
Yeah.
to next to this column. You need to move. Got it? So
Okay.
the question comes here. This is the article free sheet and you want to move the next of this. So in that case, we are using this index here. Now see, I'll just run this one. You'll get the differentiate between these two. Okay. Now I run this one. I got this expected 2000 to equal to 2000. This is the, now you can see EQ is 5. Can you see this locator? Sorry, index 5.
Yes. Index 5.
Exactly correct. So index 5, I'm getting this next. Then next is what, 2000 rupees. So the your question is like, if you don't like don't write index, correct? What happened? Or why we write this index here, correct? Now see, if I
Mm-hmm.
don't write index here, I just save it and run it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now this one is tr td, and we are going to the next method here. Okay, so see the carefully. If you see all the next get selected here. Hello.
Okay. No, I'm just thinking like how we have how this was happening. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. In the first iterator, this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now this, because see, this is second. See, this locator means what? This tr td and child one means what? First column.
Yeah. First entire
Yeah,
column.
first column. So what is the next value for the first column values? So all the values. If you go into next year,
Yeah.
it will select all the values. But our scenario is that in the first column it should go to this article fee ships, and next to this
Okay.
2000 rupees. Okay, so now
Okay.
in this column we need to find out the value using index. Got my point? Now see, this one is the first column. In this we have choose using the if, that we want to go to the article fee ship here. Okay,
Gotcha.
now we are into article fee ship. We are inside this if loop now. Again, but in this case again we don't have any locator for this article fee ship. We are using this locator only, the first one. Okay, so this locator, if you see carefully, is grabbing all the first column. See, let me go to this. See this locator, if you go here, you can see it's grabbing all the your first column, and I want to select the article ship here. Got my point? So in this case I need to put here dot eq index.
Okay.
Got it? Still you have doubt?
Hmm. Give me a second. So I just want to. So up to then it is good. Okay. Then why we are so we are using
Here constant.
constant branch.
Yeah, in this
No,
case,
not that one.
which one? This one.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So see, after next, what happened? We're using then function here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
why we're using then function here? Like we need to grab some values of this next whatever is there, in this locator. We need to find out the value. So we use
Yeah.
then function. Then we use one variable here. We are converting that variable into text, and we are assigning this to price text. And we use here explicit assertion here. Expect price text to equal to 2000 rupees.
Okay.
So if you see the result here, you will get expected 2000 to equal to 2000 rupees.
Yeah, 2000.
Yeah, I think your dot is still not clear about regarding this why we use EQ index, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it's little
yeah,
bit.
that is poking me.
Yeah, yeah. No worry, I'll let you explain once again. See, now what happened? You know the locator for this one. It will grab the first like first column values. Whatever the
Yes,
values are there in the first column, it will take that one only because we are using child one here. Okay.
yes.
Now in this case, we're using each here, each iterator. So if I go to this website, it will iterate here. This is the first web table, so it will iterate here one by one. Okay, one CA foundation into first value, then second, like this. It will what happened? Okay, now what happened? We use here. Okay, so whatever the values coming, in the side this EL, we are converting into text here
Mm-hmm.
and passing to str one variable we have. Now this str includes. Now we are going to stop here article fish. So our
Okay,
yeah our command is now here article fish here right now. Now in this case we want to jump to this 2000 here. Okay. Now in this case we don't have the locator for this particular article shift fee. So we don't have locator, but we know that we have one locator which grabbing the first uh, column values which we use right now. This one. So again we are using this.
okay,
Again we are using this one. This locator. Now if you use this locator, then what happen? It will grab all the values, but we don't want all the values. We want only this article fish only. So in that case, the index EQ come into picture. EQ index. So here, what happen? Like in article fish use the index for this one is 5 because when the each iterator is iterating no, so index also iterating here. First 0, 1, 2. Then when it comes here, then the index value would be 5. So we are taking this 5 here only. We are telling that we need to,
okay,
yeah, we need that value inside this first column values which having the index 5.
okay.
Okay, now once we get this index 5 means we are now here. We are here because this index is 5. If you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, 4, 0 to 4. Now we are jumping to this here. So that is why we are using this index because we don't have any particular locator for that article field ships. We have only one locator we are using right now, which we also use in this first one. Now it is clear.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Okay. If you don't use EQ, so I shown you that one also. It will grab all the values.
Yeah, all the values.
Yeah, because this TRTD and CHL1 means it the for the purpose of this
It
locator
is
is
considering the all the column.
yeah for first column values.
Okay, the first column values. Okay.
Yeah, got my point.
Yeah,
Yeah, you do one thing. I'm just sharing this you. You try at your end. Let me know. Because it's a little bit tricky. Yeah, I'm sharing.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharing this one 5. You share. Oh, 1 second. Now share your screen and let me know what you're doing. Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have done with this one, right?
Yes. Anyone, like I have done the first web table. You just find out the article fish.
So here I have to take
Yeah, I'll explain you. Just you go to the code. Did you run my code?
here it is.
It is running fine.
Let me see. Oh, it's taking too much time.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not opening?
Okay.
What? Why?
Okay. Wow. Browser manually. Why are you getting like this? I don't understand. Cancel.
It is not opening here.
Okay, okay, okay. Let it be. You try later on. Now you can open the website. That website. Yeah. Now search that article ship fee. No, not here. You just close this dev tool.
Okay.
Okay. Now Control F. Yeah, you can see in front of this article fish. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the first. So what we are doing in this case, the scenario is like that. We are not depending on any like web table and all. We just want that what is the fees for article ship fee. So you can also do practice by using different kind of. If you go down, you can see this one is the different column, correct? So you have the locator for first, second, and third column. So whatever be the locator is there, like a web table is there, you can just choose it and using if condition put like any foundation registration you want, cost of prospectus you want, anything you want. Just find out the uh, fees for that particular course.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you notice carefully here, you can find that we have only one locator for this web table. That is TRTD and child one for the first column. If you want to check it out for the second column, so you just need to put instead of one, put two there. TRTD and child two and child three, child four like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear? You will get also one scenario like this. Suppose if you want if you want a scenario like that, if you know the fees 400 rupees, okay, and you just need to check it out which course is there for 400 rupees. So open the code. Cypress is not opening, correct? If you see in your notepad, we use next,
Hello.
correct? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah. So Madhuri, you can see what I have said. You understood? Like, like for a,
Yes.
like in the second column, you can see some values are there: 200, 9,000, 200 in the second column. Okay. Now you want to find out which course is there for 400 rupees. Means you are in the second column and you want to jump to first column. So the first scenario which we have done like that, we are in the first column, moving to second column, correct?
Yeah.
Now in this scenario, you are in the second column, like 400, and you are telling like which course should be there for 400 rupees. So you are jumping to first column, correct? So in that case, we use prev, PREV prev method. Like the first scenario, we use next method, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in this scenario, we can use prev, PREV prev method.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Somewhat tricky.
Yeah, a little bit tricky. You need to practice for that. Just yeah, I'm not telling you to do pre this. First, you try to using next method. Once you have hands-on on this, you can use pre method.
Okay.
Yeah,
Got you.
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Madhuri, I'll stop you today here. You practice this one.
Mm-hmm.
Let me know. I'll give an
Mm-hmm.
assignment to you. Okay. Now
Okay.
we grab the value for article ship fees, correct? So you
Yeah.
just grab the different values like cost of prospects, how much fees for this cost of prospects, like 200 rupees, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just find grab the value for 200.
Okay.
Yeah, you can also try for different web table also. There are many web tables in your page.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
In our page.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Okay. I will try.
Yeah. Okay then.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll meet
Please
tomorrow then.
share me the video of
Sure, sure,
today's.
sure. I'll share you the video.
Okay.
Okay, okay then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.